Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to invest and start trading with ZEXORA. As explained in the previous video, we have already completed the deposit process. Now, once your funds are deposited, the next step is to activate trading. So, let's begin. After logging in, go to the ZEXORA Trade section. Here, you will see the Trade Now button. Click on it. Now, you can see that ZEXORA offers 0.5% to 1.5% daily ROI and up to 5 times total return on your investment. The basic return starts from 0.5% daily and can increase up to 1.5% after activating the booster system, which we will explain in the next video. For now, let's activate the trade. Click again on the Trade Now button. Now, you will see your e-wallet balance where your deposited amount is available. For example, here we have $100. Select the e-wallet option, enter the amount you want to trade, for example, $100. Then click on Yes/Confirm. Now you will see a confirmation pop up. Your trade has been successfully placed. Once your trade is active, the system will start working from the backend. The ZEXORA team operates from their official office using advanced strategies and intelligent systems to manage and execute trades. All investments and trading activities are handled professionally and securely in the backend. Now, let's see how you can check your earnings. Go to your wallet section. Here, you will be able to see your daily ROI and total profit. You can also track how much return you are getting from your invested amount. So this is how you can invest and start trading in ZEXORA. In the next video, we will explain the booster system and how you can increase your ROI up to 1.5% daily. Thank you.